Namaskar students, how are you? Fine. Yes, I am giving my introduction, please. This is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, in today's class, as per your session, we are discussing about integration, and in your this integration portion, today I will be discussing about the topic. Please note down integration of irrational functions. Please note down integration of integration integration of integration of integration of irrational functions. So you know that what is irrational function? To know the irrational function, firstly I suggest you that you know firstly what is irrational number. In the previous class I explained that what is a rational number. During that very explanation I cited three conditions that any number of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are co-prime to each other. If these three conditions are satisfied, then the number is said to be a rational number. But if either of the conditions are not satisfied, suppose out of these three conditions, as p by q, first in the form of p by q and pq are integers. Second, q is not equal to 0, means denominator should not be equal to 0. And third is p and q are co-prime to each other. If either of these three conditions are not satisfied, then this number will be termed as an irrational number. And come on the point, if you write that any number which is not in the form of phi x upon psi x, where either of the conditions I just stated just is not satisfied, then the function is said to be an irrational function. So how to get solution of the problem of integration that is completely an irrational function? So I am giving you an example. Please note, evaluate x upon under root 1 minus x square integration dx. What question you have written? You have written sign of integration, then x divided by under root 1 minus x square into dx. Clearly you are confirmed that this is an irrational function, because in the denominator you are finding that the term is not an integer. This is under root, this is under root, this is root under 1 minus x square. Generally, if there are some radicals as root, square root, and if the function is an algebraic, then the function is supposed to be an irrational function. So how to get solution of this irrational function? For this, please write the answer. Let solution, please write solution, then proceed toward answer. Let I is equal to integration sin x upon 1 minus x square into dx. I is equal to sign of integration as question is given, x upon 1 minus x square. Take it as equation 1. Now we are going to apply here method of substitution. What is that? We are in search of such a quantity that if that is put inside the root, then it becomes possible to find the value of the square root of the given denominator. Means you write here putting x is equal to cos theta. What you have written? You have written x is equal to cos theta, because 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and the square root of sin square theta is equal to cos theta. So the square value of a square root may be obtained by putting this. You can put here x is equal to sin theta also, because 1 minus sin square theta under root which cos square theta is equal to cos theta. So either you put x is equal to cos theta, or either you put x is equal to sin theta. In both of the cases, it is possible to find the value of a square root 1 minus x square. So just we have considered x is equal to cos theta. Now differentiate, then just this. So find 1 minus x square root is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta under root. So 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta under root. And sin square theta is what? This is sin theta. This is sin theta. So 1 minus x square is sin theta, and you have put x is equal to cos theta. So you can see easily that on the place of x, if you put x is equal to cos theta and root under 1 minus x square as sin theta, then this result will be cos theta by sin theta, means cot theta into dx. So in that circumstance, it is not possible for you to find the integration of this question, because there are two variables coming in your integration, cot theta into dx. Cot is the function of theta, so its integration with respect to x is not possible. So what we can do? We can differentiate x is equal to cos theta. So differentiating with respect to theta, this is dx by d theta. This is d by d theta of cos theta. This is dx by d theta, and differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. So dx is equal to minus sin theta into d theta. Now from equation 1, what we are finding? We are finding I is equal to x means cos theta, root under 1 minus x square means sin theta, and dx means what? minus sine theta into d theta. So this sine theta and this sine theta will be cancelled. This will be minus out from the integration cos theta into d theta minus, and integration of cos theta is sine theta plus k. And since our question is in the form of x, so our answer should also be in the form of x. So if you have taken here in the starting that x is equal to cos theta, so you can write here that theta is equal to cos inverse x. Theta is what? This is cos inverse x. So your answer will be what? This will be minus sine minus sine and under bracket cos inverse x plus k. This is the answer. So we are getting the result in the form of inverse trigonometric function, where k is what? Where k is constant of integration. So students, irrational integration of irrational function is not as difficult as a student discuss. It is very easy if you just apply the appropriate substitute to find out the value of the square root, or in another word to convert your function in a rational form. For your kind information, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your query in the comment box. I will resolve from there. Thank you for enjoying this lecture.